This is the Moxy in Nashville, Tennessee. Room 210. This is probably the smallest hotel room, I would assume, in the entire Marriott brand in the United States. So this is tiny. Something I've never seen before is the door looking thing here in the side of the door, not in the middle. Very interesting. In case you do decide you want to have some music, if you know how to use this particular piece of equipment, it doesn't need to be tuned, nor strings need to be broken. Going around, queen size bed, no window, pretty good sized TV. If you need to do any work, you would have to pull the chair and table down to do said work. The chair over there in the corner, once again, queen size bed.